Welcome to Electronic Medium Life is Paranormal. I'm Judy, and on this channel we research the afterlife using today's technology. What does that mean exactly? Well, the theory is that spirits can manipulate audio to speak. Although some people say it's all about the frequency, such as when you capture a voice out of thin air, such as an EVP. Which is what we're going to talk about right now, EVPs. This EVP was captured inside the Watts home when the officers went in and brought the canine cadaver dog to search the house. They caught something super interesting. Let's take a listen.
Well, I was going to try to stop them before they went in, but that didn't happen, so that's okay. Hey, Chris. So we need to have everybody step out of the house.
Okay. Mostly because we don't want the dog to get confused with all the stuff that's going on.
So you can leave that there. You can leave your camera there.
No, I'll break it up.
Okay.
I don't want to mess you guys up at all. Because my son has,
Dispatch level 922.
Perfect.
It looks real calm now, but you
Just wait. Brace myself up.
Yes, brace yourself. That's what makes him.
He's a lab. I would expect nothing less.
4 labs in 38 years.
Really?
So this will be the 4th one.
Wow.
And the last one probably
They're great dogs.
over 75. And,
These are the shoes that she took the scent off of.
okay. That's you. So there's plenty of first ender in here.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What in the world is that?
Wow.
Yeah. Go in there and step on that little blue thing and see if that's where that noise came.
Yeah, it sounded like a kid toy.
It might. It sort of sounds like it.
Something. I heard it.
That one. Did you hear it?
I did.
Sounded like a kid giggling or something, didn't it? Or a kid.
It did.
Where did that come from? Because all he did was go straight in there. That was strange. Well, we'll make a note of that.
I heard it. I definitely heard the same thing you did.
Yeah, and then he just sort of turned around and looked. But I didn't.
So can we really communicate with the dead? After 3 years of doing this research, I believe it's not only possible, it's probable. So I use a lot of different tools in my research. I use dowsing rods to give answers to yes and no questions. I use the PSB-7, which is just a scanning AM/FM radio that scans stations at a high rate of speed. I use apps such as the Dead Wave app and the Necrophonic. However, the Dead Wave is my favorite. That's what we're going to be using today with my little cheap Bluetooth speaker. And we're going to ask the spirits about Shan'ann Watts. Shan'ann Watts. We're going to ask for the spirits to help us, and let's see what we get. Let's go. Shan'ann Watts. Shan'ann. I've introduced myself already. This is Judy. I watched the Dr. Phil clip of your mother where she talked about you visiting her when she was at a very low point. She was talking about suicide, and she said that you visited her and you comforted her and you even slept with her that night in bed. And she was also talking about how she was visited by Cece and Bella, and she even got to see baby Nico, whom you were pregnant with when you passed away. So that's amazing to me. We heard the little girls giggling on the body cam footage at Chris Watts' house, at your house. And we would like to see if we can communicate with Shan'ann Watts today. Shan'ann. Shan'ann, did you believe in the afterlife when you were alive? Answer. Do you still visit your mother often?
Well, in fact,
Shan'ann, are the girls there with you? Cece and Bella? Do you have your baby Nico? Shan'ann, do you have any messages for Chris? Shan'ann, can you tell us what it's like where you are? I feel like I hear you pretty good. Time is up, and wow, I have to go back and listen to that. But keep talking. I hear you pretty clearly. Shanann Watts, you have a lot of people that still think about you and talk about you. YouTube channels on the daily. We feel for you, and our heart breaks for your babies. We're so sorry that this happened. Do you have any messages for all the people that are so concerned and that love you and listen to all these things about you all the time? Do you have any messages for all of us? Shanann, do you have any messages for Nicole Kessinger? Do you have any messages for Nicole? Wouldn't listen. Control. Awful. Hurt. Wow, Shanann, we love you so much. We're so sorry. Guys, if you're in a situation, I'm talking to anyone, where you feel like you don't want to be with your family anymore, just leave. Why take the lives of someone that you claim to love or at one time in your life loved? Please just walk away. Taking the lives of people, it's not fair. You are not the judge and jury. Don't do it. Just walk away. Shanann, is it easy for you to communicate in this way? Shanann, we appreciate you today. I'm going to review this session, and I may do a couple more if it's requested, so I appreciate you. Thank you so much for communicating today. Spirits, we appreciate you. We love you. Thank you so much.
Please.